Hey guys, how's it going today? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what exact autoresponder do I personally use for myself, for my business, and I've been using this software for a long time to help me get so many leads, so many conversions, so many sales. This software I highly recommend, especially for beginners that want to start, and you can always upgrade later on when you get more advanced. So this software is called GetResponse. I'll send you the link on the next video below so you guys can sign up. You can start up a free trial for first 30 days to try it out for yourself to see if it's a good fit for you, especially for your sales funnel, or if you have your own capture page to connect it with your autoresponder as well. So it's very, very important. Number one, it tells you about your list. This is my simple little list I'm working on right now. It tells you quick actions, how to create your form, create a newsletter, create a landing page. They also offer landing pages as well. So if you don't want to use some different landing page softwares, they do offer landing pages as well. You can add context and create your autoresponder. They also have here expert advice. So if you want to schedule a free consultation, someone will contact you and they can help you out how to use the autoresponder correctly. And another features they have is you can click on here to see your contacts, email marketing, automation, landing pages. You need to upgrade to see the webinar if you want to create your own webinar for your fellow leads and for your conversions, some surveys, and CRM. So what I recommend is you can click on the contacts, for example, and it'll tell you your list, basically how many contacts you have. Then I would click on statistics to see what's your rates of how many people are landing into your page consecutively, day by day, for example. And now the main thing is how to create your autoresponder from scratch, how to see what kind of lists, emails I want to bring into my affiliate program. So when you click here, you click on autoresponders. So right here is all the emails I'm currently using right now. So for example purposes, I want to use this Earn Easy Commission. We focused on that on the last, the past module in terms of that program. It's a free program to start, guys. So definitely sign up if you haven't. So these are the emails that I currently have right now. So it tells right here 80, 96, you see these days. This is like the 84th day, the 96th day, 80th day. So the more emails you have, the more people will enter your autoresponder consecutively. So if you have day 1 to day 50 and someone opts into your autoresponder to your capture page, they'll see day 1, day 2, day 3 in their emails. So they'll get notification, and then once you create your own email, they'll see your email, and hopefully once they see the subject line, the body paragraph, and then your link, your call to action, hopefully they'll click on your link and then you make a sale. So like I said before, this is very important. This is very simple to do as well, to create one as well. Let me click on this real quick. So this will show you maybe a better example of what it looks like in terms of autoresponder. So right here it says right here day 0. That's when day 0 is basically if someone signs up to your capture page, they automatically get that email in probably like 5 minutes. So they'll see this email, and I got all these email templates ready to go. So it took me a while to create all these templates and all these emails of my own personal time. But like I said before, this is a full-time business for me, so I need to create as many emails as possible to give me a higher chance of getting more sales for my affiliate products that I'm, basically promoting, basically. So the more affiliate products I have, if I target each email directly to a certain sequence, I'm getting people into my list, the more money I'll get. So more people, let's say $1,000, 1,000 people have traffic, hit to my capture page, 500 people sign up in the capture page, and then like I said before, the last example, 200 people saw the offer, 50 people sign up, and 150 people went to my autoresponder. Hopefully the main goal is that 150 people is going to go on my autoresponder here, guys, and then they'll see my emails, they'll see the link, and hopefully they'll click, and then I'll get a sale. So it's basically, this is the way to get residual income if that's what you're looking for, consistent income. So it's very necessary that you have your own personal autoresponder. But this one I 100% recommend, guys. It's very affordable as well. And I'll put the link below on the next module so you guys can sign up for the 30-day free trial and try out for yourselves. So let me just share an example of one email. So I can go here, and then I'm going to put preview, for example. This is the first email that people will see. So I said something like, hey there, it's Richard here. Thanks for joining my email list when I'll be sharing daily online tips and topics like affiliate marketing, online marketing, entrepreneurship, and success. You'll definitely love these emails because they will be packed with quality content to help you with your online business. You won't find this content anywhere else. So the first thing to do is to create your own. Once you have your autoresponder and everything, you need to create your own email. So you need to write, basically your name if you want to. Write a nice story for yourself, like talk about what you're going to bring to their emails, like it's not a good idea to keep spamming all your affiliate links there. You get to kind of like create your story, entice them to click on the link, which will be right here, for example. So basically, that's kind of like how autoresponders work. You create your title, you create whatever store you want to bring. If you want to bring more tips on, if you have a bakery store, if you have like a brick and mortar store, if you're doing affiliate marketing, which I'm doing, so this is a perfect example for affiliate marketing, is to create your little story for yourself, like your own personal brand. What do you want to bring to the table? What do you want to bring to your subscribers? Do you want to bring them free value? Do you want to give them PDFs? Do you want to give them cheat sheets? Do you want to give them free courses? What do you want to give to your subscribers? The more you give, the more you'll receive. That's like one model I go by. So for example, let's just use this for example. I put this email, so if you sign up through my capture page, you'll get this email automatically. And then I write here, in the meantime, if you haven't already created your free account to our brand new autopilot system, click here to create your free account. So it gives you a call to action to click that link there as well. So when someone gets this email, they'll see this call to action, and hopefully they'll click on that. Basically, the link here, it's a whole link. You basically highlight this, and then you can make it as a link. There's like an option to click for a link, and you make it as a link. So when someone sees it, there's a higher probability that they'll click on this. If they don't, for example, click on it, then your second email will talk about more about the branding and more. So keep bringing value on every. I recommend on every post, just keep bringing value. Keep bringing value consecutively. So let's look at this email, for example. I wrote at my subject line, shocking truth about online business. So you need to come with a nice title, something with curiosity, something with basically to draw them into that subject line. It's like creating your own kind of script in a sense. I wrote there, hey, there's Richard again. Today I want to share some shocking stats. Did you know that 99% of people who try to build online business from scratch will never succeed? I want to show you this awesome system that I'm personally using myself that you can start for free, and you can start making money without paying a single dime. So who doesn't want a system that you don't have to pay any fees and you can keep generating income, and especially using an autoresponder on complete autopilot? That's how six figures are created. That's how affiliate marketers keep promoting and keep utilizing autoresponders to get as many people as possible. So more traffic you get, the higher chance you'll build your email list, and the higher chance you hit conversions and sales. And then later on, you get those commissions straight to your PayPal accounts. So that's how an autoresponder is. It's very powerful. Every marketer should need it. I recommend you guys to create your own autoresponder and connect it to your sales funnel, whatever sales funnel you have. And then, once you create your storyline, you create a call to action. Click here to start this automated program. And people keep seeing the emails, and hopefully they'll click on this. And then you can see who's conversion, who is the click rates on it, and you can keep getting commissions consecutively, consistently, once you keep building your email list. So even if you're not, for example, say like I said before, you created your sales funnel and you're not getting any sales. Say you got no sales. So you got 0 sales for some reason. You got probably like 100 traffic sources and 100 people to your sales funnel. But all those people that signed up through that email go straight into your autoresponder. So your autoresponder's job is to entice them to click on this link here, and then basically they'll see your product one more time, and hopefully it'll change their mind and they'll buy from it. Even if it's a free system or something that you have to pay, they'll see the system. There's a higher chance they will convert, and a higher chance you'll hit that commission. So that's the beauty of having an autoresponder, guys. It's very easy to create one. Any questions, feel free to send me a message on Facebook. You can, like I said before, I'll give you the link adding me on Facebook, or you can join my Facebook group. I also have a lot of strategies to help you with your autoresponder and how to create your own personal legacy. So that's the basis of having your own personal autoresponder. You can create as many as you want. This is day 0, day 1, day 2. So like I said before, to go back to it, you just gotta, for example, let's go back. You go to contacts. You go to statistics, and then you can create your autoresponder right here. That's all I gotta do. So these will be your autoresponder. These won't be here when you start off. You need to create a new autoresponder. Basically, create a new. It'll tell you day 1, what's your email, what's your subject. Type out your email, and then you can change one of those words into a website link, and then put it, for example, day 1, day 2, depending where you want to put it. And then that's it. Everything's connected. So that's all you need to do. What an autoresponder is. It's very powerful. That's why there's a lot of six-figure earners, like I said before, they use an autoresponder to promote affiliate programs, promote their courses, promote whatever they want to promote in terms of getting commissions. It could be anything. You could promote anything consecutively. So that's what I recommend, guys. Get that sales funnel. Get those basic traffic, as many traffic people as you possibly can. Hit it to the autoresponder, and then commissions will come through, and you'll get money straight to your bank account, guys. All right, guys, I'm giving you all the tools you possibly need to be successful as an online marketer, especially if you're a beginner, if you're more intermediate or advanced. This is very important. Everyone should have an autoresponder. GetResponse is one of the best. I'll put the link below of the next video so you guys can sign up. It's a 30-day free trial and try it out for yourselves, guys. And then basically you can see how important this is. You can see why it's important to have your own personal autoresponder to be successful as an online entrepreneur, as myself, for example. Or you want to be a part-time marketer or a full-time marketer, wherever you want to be. All right, guys? So I'll see you guys on the next video.